What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and while you're at it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. In today's video, we are going to be racing a 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat Daytona. We're going to be doing a 60 and a 40 roll. He's all stock, I'm all stock besides an X-pipe. I don't think he has any exhaust work or anything done yet. I know he has plans for the future. He's making 717 horsepower. I'm making 710 crank as well. So it should be a pretty close race. The car is beautiful. He had just picked it up right around the same time as I picked up mine. So it should be a pretty good race. I know he has traction issues, so do I. So hopefully we can both get those resolved in the future and get another run in. But I don't know how long I'm going to be staying stock. I don't know how soon he's going to be modified either. So with that being said, let me get my GoPro mounted because I don't have anybody to record. Hopefully they'll share the footage with me because they did bring somebody to record. Anyhow, let's get this done. Alright, so we got a 60 roll in on the first run. I think I pulled him by like 2 to 3 cars. Second run, of course, Roush problems. We ran into heat soak. I actually gave him the hit as well, and I ended up pulling right next to him. Maybe pulled him by like half a car and then started losing power, and I just let off. But we're about to do another 40 roll, see how that goes, and we're probably going to call it from there. We'll catch you soon. guys, so the Roush did a lot better than what I had expected. I figured it would have been a lot closer of a race. I figured maybe one car, a car and a half at the most. It looked like on the 60 roll, like I said, 2 to 3 cars. On the first 40 roll, it was maybe like a car before I heat soaked. On the second 40 roll, it was like 4 to 5 cars. The third 40 roll, it was like 2 to 3 cars. I started to get heat soak again. With that being said, I'm definitely happy with the performance of the Roush. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode in Mexico. Of course, if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you were surprised with the results. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out.
If you don't hit 150, he's going to put you say hi. Extra large. They said they open till 1. I know. Extra large.